If we lived on a planet with two suns, what would it be like? This question is deeply intriguing and deserves exploration. Let's delve into it, analyzing and illustrating with examples. Firstly, the illumination on a planet with two suns would be entirely different from what we are accustomed to. On Earth, the single sun provides the necessary light for all life to thrive. But with two suns, the intensity and angle of light would undergo significant changes. Imagine if both suns were high in the sky at the same time, the illumination would likely be twice as intense as on Earth, causing surface temperatures to rise to extreme levels, posing a significant threat to life forms. On the other hand, when one sun is obscured by the other or they create intersecting shadows, the lighting and temperature on the surface would fluctuate in unpredictable ways. Furthermore, the climate patterns on such a planet would also be unique. On Earth, our climate is influenced by a combination of factors such as solar radiation, the Earth's rotation, and revolution, resulting in seasonal changes and varying weather patterns. However, on a planet with two suns, the climate would be influenced by both suns simultaneously, leading to even more complex and unpredictable variations. Perhaps there would be unique climate zones or unprecedented weather phenomena, such as extreme heat during periods when both suns are shining simultaneously or abrupt climate shifts as the suns alternate in their positions. Moreover, the evolution of life forms on such a planet would also be profoundly affected. The evolution of organisms is largely dependent on their environment. Under the unique lighting and climatic conditions of a planet with two suns, organisms would necessarily develop unique adaptive mechanisms to cope with the extreme lighting and climatic variations. Perhaps there would be remarkable species that have evolved to survive in high temperatures or possess special physiological functions to regulate their body temperature and metabolism. To illustrate, let's consider a hypothetical plant species called the double sunflower. This plant might have a flower head that can simultaneously track the movement of both suns, maximizing its exposure to light for photosynthesis. Its leaves might have developed special structures that conserve water and prevent overheating in high temperatures. Additionally, the seeds of the double sunflower might contain unique nutrients that protect against the harmful effects of high temperatures and ultraviolet radiation, benefiting animals that consume them. However, living on a planet with two suns would also present numerous challenges. The extreme heat, intense light, and rapid climate changes would pose significant stress on the survival and reproduction of organisms. Constant adaptation, along with the development of innovative behaviors and physiological mechanisms, would be necessary to cope with the constantly changing environment. For intelligent life forms, advanced technology and culture would be required to thrive in such conditions. In conclusion, living on a planet with two suns would be an incredibly complex and dynamic experience. We would face unprecedented challenges in terms of lighting, climate, and ecology, but we would also witness unique and spectacular natural landscapes and biodiversity. Such a planet would require constant adaptation, exploration, and innovation, fostering resilience and wisdom in its inhabitants. Therefore, I believe that living on a planet with two suns would be a rich and exciting journey of discovery. However, it's important to note that all of this is mere speculation and conjecture. In the real world, we have not yet discovered any planets with two suns. Perhaps in future explorations, we will stumble upon such a planet and gain a deeper understanding of its true nature. But regardless, the mystery and intrigue surrounding such a unique and remarkable planet will always hold our curiosity and drive us to explore.